Oh, big fish, big fish. No way. That was insane. That's a nice smallie. That is a really nice smallie too. Got him. Got him. Whatever it is big. Oh, big fish, big fish. No way, that's an Indiac type. No way. Oh, dude, that's insane. Right under the tree. Holy crap. Big smallmouth. Dude, I literally just started recording. Oh my gosh, that's an Indiac type of fish. Did I just found my new favorite river? Are you joking? I think I just did. I don't have a net today. I only have my grips. So this is gonna be a little tough. No freaking way. That's insane. That's crazy, guys. Under that tree, you guys saw that. Whoa, oh, whoops, I'm gonna die. I am dying today. I am dying today. I'm going down this backwards, I guess. Shoot. This is interesting. I'm gonna put the rod down. This turned into chaos now. I don't know where I'm going, man. Oh shoot. This is chaos. What's going on? What's going on? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I just caught this beautiful smallmouth on my first few minutes of the day fishing. I'll get her back. We're kind of going down the rapids, not really my fault, but oh. Guess she's gonna be okay though. That was crazy! Right underneath that freaking tree, man. I think this river just like Indiac River. That's a big smallie right there too. What kind of fish is that? Is that a smallmouth? That is a giant smallmouth. Oh, he saw me. That's a giant smallmouth, man. Look at the size of that smallmouth, man. Look at the size of that smallmouth, man. I've got to get some like finesse on. I really need this fish, man. This damn wind, dude. Stop, wind. Oh, what am I on? Shoot. Look at that smallmouth. Look at him. Giant. I got snagged right where he was hiding too, so I spooked him off. Jeez, there's so many here, man. Wow. Got him. Whatever it is, big. Nice smallmouth. Really nice smallmouth. Oh yeah, and I'm recording that too. Knew it. I knew it. Oh my gosh, there's 3 big smallmouth here, guys. There's 3 huge smallmouth here with him. Oh, look at that one's even bigger. Look at that. Okay, I gotta get away. to the shore. I love kayak fishing. Man, gotta love kayak fishing. Man, this is so hard. How do you kayak fishermen do this on a regular basis? I'm just gonna grip him because I feel like I have to. That's not too bad, hey? I'd say that's like maybe 2.5 or something like that. Whoa, easy, buddy. I only use the grippers just because it's easy. That's not a bad smallmouth at all, guys. That's like, yeah, I'd say maybe 3, 2.5 or something like that. There's more over there. I'm gonna try and get them as soon as I get this guy back. Oh, that was so cool. What a blow up. Man. All right, I'm gonna try and get the other fish now. Oh, he's off. That was sweet. Man, too bad he came off. Jeez! That was insane. That's a nice smallie. That is a really nice smallie too. Oh, that was so cool, guys. Scared the heck out of me. No! That was a big smallie. Oh man, that was so cool though. At least I got the blow up on video and the strike. Man, that was sweet. Right in front of me. Got him. Got him. Whatever it is big. It's a big smallmouth. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. This is a freaking football. Oh my gosh. That is a giant, guys. That is a pig. That's a pig. That's a pig. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, I wish I had my net with me. Now I know I gotta bring my net always. Oh yeah. Okay, she's not as big as I thought. That's still a very big fish. I think it could be 4. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at the head on that thing. She's not hooked too well. I'd love to go into the shallows though, because this is like a really good looking spot. And I'd love to take my time with this fish and then go back to fish the spot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I almost hooked myself there. Okay, that is a pig smallmouth. I'm gonna get the hook out. I'm gonna get the rod out of the way. I just caught this football smallmouth. You know, I overreacted quite a bit. This thing's probably only like 3 pounds. I thought it was 4. Like the head on this thing is, that's got a big head on this. I am impressed with the quality and the size of smallmouth in this river and the quantity. I've seen a lot of big fish in here. I haven't caught all the big fish, but this is a really nice smallmouth, beautiful, and I'm gonna get her back. Oh. That was crazy, guys. That was crazy. The blow up on that thing, I waited and I set the hook. That was crazy. That's the biggest fish of the day so far. I can't believe I wasn't recording that. That's a big one.
That's a giant.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Oh my gosh.
New rod mojo. Big head shakes. He ripped drag. Oh yeah. Can't believe I missed that blow up on GoPro though. Get in here, buddy. Oh yeah.
That's a,
oh my gosh.
that's a long fish.
We gotta measure that one for the tournament.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Look at the size of that.
That's a long fish.
Look at the size of that.
Don't lose it.
Oh my gosh, get her to shore.
Look at how long.
Oh, she's barely hooked too. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm so mad I didn't hit record because I wasn't expecting to catch anything here. And you're fishing here all day and nothing comes. And then this one just comes up. He's like, hey guys, look at the mouth. Look out, look out, look out, look out. I don't want to horse it.
Oh, careful. He's bumping.
I know, I know, I know. Look at the size of that thing.
Oh my god. Okay, he kind of shrunk, but he's still big. That's a 4. That's a 4.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That's a honker. Look at the size of this thing. Oh my gosh. Wrong way, Mary. Oh, record that. That looks, that's like a sick thumbnail.
Yeah. Go home, Mary. Oh, gun release. There he goes.
You give me next one. Fine.